A real estate market crash can have severe repercussions for the economy. It often leads to the destruction of wealth as home values plummet, leaving homeowners financially vulnerable. This decline in wealth prompts reduced consumer spending, as homeowners feel less inclined to invest in discretionary items. Additionally, financial institutions face strain due to the devaluation of real estate assets, potentially leading to credit tightening and disruptions in lending. Job losses ripple across various sectors, including real estate, construction, and related industries, contributing to higher unemployment rates. Furthermore, local governments suffer from reduced property tax revenues, leading to budget shortfalls and cuts in public services. The negative wealth effect exacerbates these challenges, dampening confidence and investment across the economy. Industries reliant on real estate, such as home improvement and furnishings, also experience decreased demand. Overall, a real estate market crash triggers a cascade of economic consequences, from wealth erosion to decreased consumer spending and broader economic downturns.